Oh. Safe mode. One of the first things I noticed with this plane is to fly at scale, you actually have to keep the speed up. This plane does not like to fly slow. It does not have a lot of wing area, and if you do fly slow, it does kind of get squirrely. This model also comes with AS3X and safe, which does help when you're flying slower, but again, even with safe on and a little bit of wind, the plane can become unstable, so you have to keep your speed up. So I'm coming around here to set up for my first attempt at a landing, and I do stall the plane, but I do save it at the last second. Oh! I did tap the ground a little bit, but then I pulled out and powered out to fly around again. And then you'll see on the second attempt, as I'm coming in to land, my battery just dies. So guys, I'm coming in to land here, and my battery is about to die on me as I'm landing, and you'll see what happens. This plane needs to be flown. If it slows down too much, you'll see it just falls out of the sky. So be aware of your battery settings, and we're gonna get a battery dead. Bang. So again guys, no real damage done to the plane. It was a little windy and my battery did run out. I had a little bit of power, but if I tried to give it full throttle on the transmitter, I could hear the battery just winding down. So I ran out of juice, lived to fly another day. And then I actually realized what I did on my next flight is I did dislodge the front landing gear, but with a little glue, put it back together, good to fly another day. So stay tuned for more videos from the UMX Cirrus, and we're going to live to fly another day. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great week. More videos coming soon.